Good morning, here we are again. I'm Dennis, this is GoFar, and let's go to the beach again. Another day, another beach. Well, today actually it's the same beach, still Patong. I made new friends. So these are my three guards. This is Steven, this is Michael, this is Michael Steven. Good job, guys. I'm being surrounded. Thought they were guarding me, but they're betraying me. Just had a quick dip into the sea, and today is not very sunny, but still, water was good, and it's never cold when you get out. So, okay, this morning I finished my 7 days in the SHL Plus hotel, so I had to check out of the Niner Resort. Yesterday evening, I got a message from Agoda. They cancelled my booking, so I had to go find a new place to stay. Well, now I booked a minimal. Look, this minimal house. Patong. I'll show you the room when I get there, right in about. Now, let me show you my room. This is where I enter from. You turn to the right, there's the bed. This is the balcony. I feel locked up like a chicken. Like, you see all these wires. Oh, whatever. And a small bedroom. I haven't been in there yet, so yeah. Oh, that's not bad. Like, okay, that's decent. Yeah. I have no idea what I'm gonna do today, so maybe I'll go back to the beach again. And I've been noticing a lot of the Family Marts and 7-Elevens close to the beach, they're actually closed right now. Well, I found one that was open, and the rest is all closed, even the side streets, the soys. I'm off to find me a drink, and then I'm gonna go back to the beach. Well, today I feel very cute. You know why? I've been told many times. I don't believe them, but there's been like at least 30, 40 massage shops. They're all, oh, come in, touch. Same with taxis. I've been offered 100 taxis today, at least. There's a lot less tourists and too many taxis, so they have to. Okay with this. Okay, this is better. I found me an army of pigeons. I'll have that one. Now, I got my meal. If it tastes as good as it looks, this is gonna be awesome. That was a good one. And a big meal.